Hey guys, what's up? This is the Toyota Cross 1.8G hybrid. So 1.4, almost 1.5 million. Hybrid 4-cylinder, 16 valve dock, chain drive with BVTi. So yan guys, check out the badge. So it's blue if it's hybrid. And look at that. So newly style yung grill. Kita nyo naman, LED. So ayan guys, fog lamps, LED din, halogen headlight, and this is the new badge ng hybrid. HEV na siya guys. So if you look at the back, baka isipin nyo may word pa dyan ng hybrid. So wala na dyan guys. So it's HEV. This is your Toyota Corolla Cross. So yan guys, with dash cam at the rear. And then let's see from the inside. So meron na din tong dash cam built-in ni Toyota. So nowadays yung mga lumalabas na unit ni Toyota, meron na mga dashcam. So unfortunately, I'm a Veloz owner, wala. Wigo meron. Pero yan guys, as you can see inside, park, hold. So ayan, and as you can see, ang ganda, mas malaki na yung screen. Leather feels. So yeah, it's not leather. Hindi, leather, sorry, it's leather. So leather din to. So combination, plastic. So pretty much powerful, yung mga side mirrors. So ayan, it's really nice, and you can see, hindi pa siya leather yung seats, pero maganda, it feels comfortable. So yan, cup holders, and tapos ito, I guess it's the wireless charger. So yeah, wireless charger, so no keys daw. Drive mode, EV mode, tapos ito yung kanyang vents sa mga aircon, tapos ito yung kanyang mga button. So meron siyang heat and cool. So yan, meron na rin tong heat and cool, front and rear, kasi meron siyang rear dito sa likod na blower. And alright, so yan, meron siya sa feet na blower, push button, combination of analog and digital cluster. So as you can see, so mid variant wireless, I believe this is wireless Apple CarPlay na din siguro. And then you have some buttons here, so adjustment ng headlight, kasi naka-projector yan. And as you can see, these are the seats. So manual pa yung mga ano niya. Pretty much it's a 5-seater Corolla Cross. Tapos ito yung likod, spacious siya. Marami kang pwedeng ilagay na gamit. So ayan, meron na rin siyang rear camera, front dash cam. So ayan, built-in siya dito sa mid variant ng Corolla. Shark's fin. As you can see, it's a two-tone HEV Corolla Cross. Bridgestone tires. So I believe that the specs nitong wheels na to is 215 60 series 17. So ayun guys. So yan, here at Toyota Calamba guys. So check it out. Hybrid electric vehicle. So meron na din tong rear camera, as you can see. So ayan, that's the back of the Corolla Cross. Badge, blue badge. And dyan, so ito yung kanyang yeah. Alright, so as you can see, it's so spacious. Yung side knee, let's check the engine. And once again, showing you the 1.8G variant HEV CVT. So yun guys, pop the hood. So this is the engine, battery, things sa electronic parts. Ayan, so it's a different dimension since it's a hybrid. So yan guys, ngayon lang din ako nakakita talaga ng inside the hybrid na hood. So don't know much about it, but yeah, pretty much this is what it looks like. So guys, check it out. So it's a 1.8 liter hybrid. Alright, so once again guys, there you have it, the all new Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid 1.8 liters G. So ito yung base variant ng Corolla Cross for this hybrid electronic vehicle model. So yan, showing you may 3 variant, may V at saka meron yung GRS. Please check out in Toyota Calamba, and check for Gia 2 for more inquiries. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. Bye!